our final recipe, we are going to be making fruit skewers and dip. And we have Ava back in the kitchen with us. So Ava, what is your favorite fruit?
I really like star fruit, watermelon, and strawberry.
Yum! Well, we do have star fruit with us today that we can add to our fruit skewers. But the first thing we're going to do is we are going to make our dip, and then we're going to set it aside and we'll cut up the fruit and assemble the skewers, okay? So this is a really easy dip to make. You just need 8 ounces of whipped toppings, so you can grab whatever one you like from the grocery store. And then about 8 ounces of yogurt. Great. I'll take the measuring cup and then I'll have you combine those 2 ingredients together. So you can see this is a 2-ingredient dip. It's very easy to make. You'll just mix the 2 ingredients together and then you'll want to put it in the fridge to chill for about 30 minutes. So after we mix this together, that is exactly what we're going to do, and then we're going to prepare our fruit. Okay, so we'll put this aside and it'll chill for 30 minutes. And while it's chilling, what we'll do is we will get our fruit and make our fruit skewers. So let's put this aside. So we have a variety of fruit with us to add to our fruit skewers. So we want to make sure with the star fruit that we're getting the brown edges off of the exterior. But we want to keep its shape, so we don't want to cut too much. Ooh, those are looking good. We always want to make sure that we are very careful with our fingers whenever we're using knives in the kitchen. So we'll just do our little last one here, and then we will grab our cutting board and we'll just cut off the ends. So what would you pack for your picnic, Ava?
I do like fruit.
Yes.
I also like peanut butter and jelly sandwiches.
Ooh, so this has been perfect for you because we have fruit recipes, we have peanut butter recipes. I think you would be pretty happy on our picnic with the recipes we've made today. So I've got the star fruit cut up and it does look exactly like stars. So I'm going to cut up a couple other fruits that I have over here while you work on those. So I do have a kiwi, and Ava, you told me you know how to peel kiwi. Can you teach me how?
So you cut off the skin.
Okay. So would I need a peeler for that? Or can I do it with my knife?
You can do it with your knife or a peeler.
Okay, well, we'll try it here. So we don't want to eat any of the fuzzy skin, right? All right, so we've got our kiwi, we've got our star fruit. Let's see, what else should we add? Should we cut up some pineapple? Yeah. Okay, so we have some pre-sliced pineapple here. I'm just gonna have you maybe cut those in half for us. And then I think what I'll do is I will also cut up a mango, and we can add some mango slices as well. So I'm going to do the same technique that you taught me for the kiwi on the mango. Cut off the ends.
There's a big seed inside.
Oh, so I'm going to have a big pit in the inside. I usually buy my mangoes pre-sliced, so I'm learning a lot today. Okay, I think we have quite enough that we can add to our skewers. So let me move this out of the way. So what we're going to do next, now that we've cut up our fruit, is we are going to assemble our skewers. So we have 4 here. How about you do 2 and I do 2? How about that? Okay. So you can share some of my fruit too. And I want to make sure that when we're doing our skewers, we remember that they are pointy on the end, so we want to be careful. And we also have some marshmallows over here. So if you want to add marshmallows to your skewers to make it even more sweet, you can go ahead and do so. And of course, when you're making these at home, you can choose your own fruits. It's a good opportunity to introduce new fruits to the kids as well. You can see we added star fruit, we added mango, we added kiwi. You can even get even more creative to cut up your fruit into different shapes and sizes when you plate them. So it's all really up to you and how you want to serve your dish at home. Nice job. Yes, another marshmallow. Of course, we need another marshmallow. Okay, I'll have you put that here. And then, of course, remember our dip, the star of the show, has been chilling for the last 30 minutes. So let me grab that and we can put the dip in the bowl and then we will be ready to go. Okay, we've gotten our dip out of the fridge. So would you like to help me scoop some of this in here? I'll hold the bowl and how about you scoop it into the serving dish? There we go. I think that looks good. That looks so yummy. I personally would not be able to keep my hands off of this dip and these skewers at any parties, but I want to thank you so much, Ava, for helping me in the kitchen today. You did a wonderful job and you even taught me how to cut up my kiwi.